What's up? How's it going here? Alrighty, here, wait, let's see how many, how much of this stuff I can cover. Okay, got another unboxing, got another unboxing in store. Alrighty, so I don't know if you can, alrighty, so, right off the bat here, one guess where this package might be from. Not based off the French thing, obviously it's from France, but like, Rue Daguerre, Daguerre. Okay, alrighty, here's another hint. That's not really a hint, I'm just sort of giving it away. Yeah, it's from amigx. This is crazy that I'm sick, so I don't want to show myself. It's crazy that I just got this, because just last night I saw the sorry, I'm just gonna put the camera down, but I think I'm still audible. I saw Varda by amigx, so it's quite the coincidence that this, oh wait, no, this is an unboxing. I need to have the I included, sorry, I'm a bit ill. I really don't want to damage this bag too much. It's a very nice bag. I'll just cut it open. Alrighty. I think I'm about to be joined. Need to find scissors. Found some scissors. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm glad I didn't cut this. Yo, I'm filming an unboxing video. Come and watch. Oh, I don't think they heard me. Okay, so this is the first thing. Alrighty. You can watch it. Okay, so here's the first thing. A beautiful tote bag. Let's put it under the light. Wow. Material's kind of thin, but it's beautiful. Okay. Now, next. 3 places pour le 26. That was pretty bad. But yeah, I've only ever seen this movie online in a very bad condition. So now I have the Blu-ray. I tried to buy this Blu-ray like a year ago, but it didn't work. Yeah. Okay. Now the donkey skin fairy pen. Chanson et texte chanté. I think this is just lyrics to every song Demi ever wrote. Oh, that's amigx. Okay, well I can't read French too well, but it's very important for a slightly pregnant man. So this is very chanson dessinée. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce anything in my sick voice, but Young Girls of Rochefort. My favorite movie. Okay, so this is pretty incredible. Well, okay, now, I think I have some postcards in here. We can wait for that though. Okay, a little postcard poster type thing for umbrellas. This will just go right up on my wall. Oh boy. Peau d'âme. Skin of the soul. So this is like about an archaeological dig on the site of Peau d'âme, donkey skin. They find all of the like buried, all the like jewels and stuff. So I have no idea what this movie's gonna be like, but oh, that's actually makes it sound interesting. But I've literally never heard of this, but I saw it for sale on the website, so I got it because it seemed like the right thing to do. Okay. Donkey skin magnet, and then another Agnes magnet, or an Agnes magnet. This is more stuff that I remember ordering, but I mean, I'm not complaining. Okay, another an Agnes pen. And then an Agnes at the beach. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is specifically related to the last one, bought by Agnes, even though obviously beaches are in a lot of her stuff. Literally, she has a movie called Beaches of Agnes. Ah, okay. Now here's the real money. Wow. To me with the Neuve and Dorléac. And then this. Beautiful. Incredible. Alrighty. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry that this was 7 minutes long. It should have been less. You know. Oh. Face reveal. Alrighty. Yep. Thanks. Bye bye.